1-800. But I was just watching Fox 29 News, the worst news channel in Philadelphia. No offense, but I love it. I love it. I love it. Yeah. I live about 20 miles south of Philly, and they just had this worst commercial ever. It was like a woman. She was like, a clock on like drums, and they were all like, trash clutters the city, cans, blah 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 blah. Okay, I go to Center City almost every weekend because I live so close, and it's basically a suburb. I basically live in Philadelphia, but I don't, and they're all just like eclipses with trash. I'm like, okay, I've lived near here for almost my whole life, which would be 12 years, I guess, and I